Today our topic is pronoun. Okay, I know that you all have known the definition of pronoun. Before going to this topic, we should know what is a noun. You all have known. Noun is a naming word. Then, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is replaced a noun. Let's see the example. We will start. So, today our topic is pronoun. Pronoun. To know the pronoun, I will write some examples. Ram is a boy. Ram is very smart. Ram's father is a doctor. Ram's handwriting is beautiful. Look at this example. Ram is a boy. Ram is very smart. Ram's father is a doctor. Ram's handwriting is beautiful. You will see that I will use Ram, Rams many times. To avoid these things, I will replace a word. What is it? Ram is a boy, and in the place Ram is a boy, that's why I will use in the place of Ram. What I will use? He. He is very smart. Ram's father is a doctor. Means he is a boy. I can't use her. I will use his. His father is a doctor, and Ram's handwriting is beautiful. Again, I will use here his. Okay, so these words are called pronoun. These words are called pronoun. It means, what is the definition? Yes, the definition is a word which will replace a noun is called pronoun. Okay? What is the definition of a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun, and you can say instead of a noun. That is, in the place of Ram, I have used he. Here, in the place of Rams, I have used his, and here also used his. Understood, students? So, today our topic is types of pronoun. I will discuss here types of pronoun. First one is first I will write types of pronoun. First here I will use personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun is a word which will replace a person or thing in the sentence. Let's see. Ram is a boy. I will replace this name with he, and Ram is a person. I have used here he. So it is called, this word is called personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it we will use for thing. They are called your personal pronoun. Understood what is personal pronoun? Now I will discuss with you possessive pronoun. First, in this side we will write here. First we have discussed personal pronoun. Second thing, what we will discuss? Possessive pronoun. And we will discuss here possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Students, you all have known that what is possessive? Possessive means ownership. Suppose this is a duster. This duster is mine, and this is my bottle. Means here what it is showing? Whose bottle is this? Whose bottle? Yes, my means the owner of this bottle is, who is the owner? Me. I am the owner. Okay, that is the possessive. Here, what is possessive nouns? That bottle is mine. It is. This book is yours. This book is yours. Mine, yours, hers, his. These words are called what? Possessive pronoun. Students, remember that in the possessive pronoun we will not use apostrophe. Okay? We will never use apostrophe. It will never follow the apostrophe. Understood? Without apostrophe I have written. I can write here yours means your apostrophe s. This is wrong. So here I have written possessive pronoun. Understood? Possessive means ownership. Okay? Number third. Third number we will discuss about demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. See? Demonstrative. Okay? You already know these, that, these, those. These words are used for demonstrative. Okay? And here I am writing the example. This is my bed. It is indicating bed. This word is indicating bed. These are flowers. These are flowers. Look at the example. These, that, those. These words are called your what type of pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. I think you have understood demonstrative pronoun. Here, number 4 I will discuss with you interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Here I am writing interrogative pronoun now. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun like what is your name? What is your name? Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? Like this, here, look at the blackboard. What, who, these words are called your interrogative pronoun, which is showing to a noun, asking question to a noun. That's why it is called interrogative pronoun. Students, next is your, what is it? Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? We will write here reflexive pronoun. Here, I do my work myself. I do my work myself. She does her work herself. Means here the subject doing the work itself only, means himself or herself only. The subject is doing the work herself, but the subject is doing her work itself. Here it is reflected to the subject only. So myself, herself, yourself, themselves, these words are called Last one is your, what is the emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Students, you will see the same thing, same words in the reflexive and emphatic pronoun, but little bit difference will be there. What is that? Emphatic. Emphatic pronoun. Look at this example. I, myself, do my work. She, herself, does her work. Look at these two examples. In the reflexive example, always use these myself, herself at the last of the sentence, and if it will use also in the middle also, it is showing the subject. That subject is doing itself. But here, myself, herself, themselves emphasize the subject. It means giving stress to the subject. Like that, I myself do my work. I myself do my work. It is giving stress to the subject. She herself does her work. She herself look at the mirror. Means it is showing it is giving stress to the subject. That is the difference only between that reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Understood? I think you all have understood this pronoun. Once again I am telling how many types of pronoun I have discussed here. 6. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. I hope you all have understood this class. In next class I will bring another video. Thank you all of you.